Good morning everybody. How are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Today, without wasting the time, we'll discuss about the topic linear inequation in one variable. 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 Linear means what? One variable. It is written degree 1. Degree 1. In one variable, degree 1. Linear inequation in one variable. So now, first of all, from class 6 onwards, we know about linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation. Linear equation, it is of one variable and it is LHS, RHS. For example, let's say 2x plus 2 is equal to 10. That implies, how to solve this? That implies 2x is equal to 10 minus 2. That implies x is equal to 8 by 2. That implies x is equal to 4. So this equation, this linear equation 2x plus 2 is equal to 10 is true for only the value of x is equal to 4. Now we'll go to linear inequation. So in linear inequation, what is general form? General form. What is the general form? So ax plus b less than 0, or we can write ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0, ax plus b greater than equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a comma b both belongs to the set of real numbers. Now, here in linear inequation, or we also can tell this inequality. So, second thing is your replacement set. Replacement set. That means the set from which the values of variables are chosen. For example, suppose you have taken x plus 3 less than 7. X plus 3 less than 7 in inequation form. So I will write that implies x less than 7 minus 3. That implies x less than 4. X less than 4, but there should be one set. What set? X belongs to, let's say, natural number, or x belongs to set of whole number, or x belongs to set of integers, or x belongs to the set of real numbers. It must belongs to any one of the set. You know about the natural numbers, you know about the whole numbers, you know about the integers. Now about the real numbers. Real number are real numbers. Set of real numbers. R is equal to Q union Q prime. Q is a rational number and q prime is irrational number. The union of rational number and irrational number makes the real number. Now, if we'll say about the linear inequation, then how to represent the linear inequation? Let us discuss about it. Before going to it, we should know about the solution set. About the solution set. What is the solution set? Solution set. So solution set. Solution set. What is the solution set? So the set of all the solution, the set of all the solutions which satisfies of an inequation which satisfies the inequation. Now suppose x less than 5. X less than 5. Now here x less than 5, x belongs to n. X less than 5, x belongs to set of natural numbers. Now we can write in equation x less than 5. This is in the form of ax plus b less than 0. So here we are writing in the form x less than 5. Now x belongs to set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Here I can write that implies solution set is equal to less than 5, set of natural number. So what will be the solution set? Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But it will not be 5 because it is less than 5. The solution set will be 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write in a roster form within the braces. In the roster form within the braces. Now, if we say these 1, 2, 3, 4, they satisfies the equation. They satisfy the equation. They satisfy the equation. Now rules. Now the rules. Rules of solving linear inequations in one variable. In one variable. Rules of solving linear inequation in one variable. As we know, solving of linear equation in the junior classes, class 6, 7, 8, 9, already we know about solving of linear equation. For example, let's say I will compare one thing here. Suppose given 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 8. Here one example of linear equation that implies 2x minus x is equal to 8 plus 7. Why 2x minus x is equal to 8 plus 7? Because sign change rule. Sign change rule. If here minus 7 is negative, go to the right side, it will become positive. Here x is positive, come to the left side, it will become negative. Now that implies x is equal to 15. So this is the required solution. But here, if we go to the linear inequation, what we have to do? Suppose given 2x minus 7 less than x plus 8 comma x element of n. Now that will do how? 2x minus x less than 8 plus 7 comma x element of n. That implies how we'll do it? Same sign change rule. Plus 8 come to left side. Sorry, x comes to left side becomes minus x. Minus 7 go to the right side, become plus 7. We can here add 7, here add 7, here subtract x, here subtract x. The lengthy method. We will not adopt this one. Directly we will do by side change, sign change rule. So that becomes x less than 15, comma x element of n. X less than 15. X element of n. So solution set is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. I am not writing all the elements up to 14. Less than 15, up to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, solution set is 1 to 14. Now come to the next rule. The next rule is what? So, next rule of solving. Next rule is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division of positive integers. Multiplication oblique division of positive number on both sides. So now suppose given 4x plus 2 is equal to, this is your linear equation. 4x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 10. That implies, first of all, what to do? 4x minus 2x side change, sign change rule is equal to 10 minus 2 side change, sign change rule. That implies 2x is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8. Now here we have to find out the value of x. So to find out the value of x, we have to divide both sides by 2. That implies 2x by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. That implies x is equal to 4. This is the answer. But what we'll do in linear inequation case? Same thing. Suppose given 4x plus 2 less than 2x plus 10, x element of whole number. That's a W. So that implies 4x minus 2x side change, sign change rule less than 10 minus 2. That implies 2x less than 8. That implies 2x by 2 less than 8 by 2. That implies x less than 4 comma x element of whole number. So solution set x element of W whole number starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here multiplying or dividing positive number on both sides, the resulting equation doesn't change. The value of the resulting equation doesn't change. But here is one thing you have to see what to do when we are multiplying or dividing negative number on both sides. Negative number. Let us see about the negative number. Negative, not positive. Negative. Here we will write, instead of positive, we write negative. Negative number. So, suppose given negative number minus x plus 4 is equal to 10. For example, we are 10. Here given minus x plus 4 less than 10, comma x element of how much? I. Let's say integers. That implies minus x is equal to 10 minus 4. That implies minus x is equal to 6. That implies minus x into minus 1 is equal to 6 into minus 1. That implies x is equal to minus 6. Answer. So multiplying minus 1 on both sides, the 6 will become minus 6, but equal sign remains same. Now here in inequation what to do? Let us see. That implies minus x less than 10 minus 4. Sign change rule. So now that implies minus x less than 6. Minus x less than 6. Now here you have to multiply or divide minus 1. Minus x into minus 1 greater than 6 into minus 1. Greater than 6 into minus 1, the in between sign reverses. Whenever we are multiplying a negative number on both sides of the equation, the sign in between reverses. For example, suppose given minus x less than 3, then x greater than minus 3. X greater than minus 3, minus will become plus. Minus x will become plus x. Less than sign will become greater than sign. Suppose given x greater than equal to minus x greater than equal to 10. So here x less than equal to minus 10. In this way the sign in between will change. Now let us see what here. That implies x greater than minus 6 comma x element of I. So the solution set x greater than minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dot up to infinity greater than minus 6. So now this is about the multiplication or division of negative numbers on both sides. If we are multiplying or dividing a negative number on both sides, then the inequality sign in between will alter to opposite or will change. If it is less than sign, it will become greater than sign. If it is greater than equal to, it will become less than equal to. If it was less than equal to, it will become greater than equal to. If it is greater, it will become smaller. You have to remember it, because students make the mistakes many times here when they are dividing or multiplying the negative number on both sides. Now, here about the inequation, why it is important, why the inequation is important for all of you, because these questions on inequation most probably comes in the section A, compulsory section. Question number 1, in question number 2, basically. Now, in 3-4 days, we have seen that this is coming in question number 1 and question number 2, carrying 3 marks. So, how the distribution of mark is being done in this question of inequation? So, first, solving the inequation correctly. First, marking. How mark? Marking scheme. Solving the inequation correctly, you will be awarded 1 mark. Now, writing the solution set correctly, that will be 1 mark. Third one, number line, graph of the solution set on number line correctly, that is 1 mark. Total 3 marks. This is the marking scheme of linear inequation in one variable. So be careful about the marking scheme. Now we'll go to discuss some of the examples how we are going to solve the linear inequation in one variable. So now in question number 1, 5 5 minus 3x greater than equal to 2x minus 10 comma x element of n. Here 5 minus 3x greater than equal to 2x minus 10 x element of n. Now see, that implies this is greater than equal to. This type of question was there in class 8. You know, class 8 it was there. So now minus 3x minus 2x greater than equal to minus 10 minus 5. Or somebody will say like this, not do like this. We'll say 5 minus 3x greater than equal to 2x minus 10 comma x element of n. So we'll say I will not write like this. I will write 5 plus 10 greater than equal to 2x plus 3x. This way or that way. Both these are correct. Now here, what we'll get? Minus 5x greater than equal to minus 15. That implies minus 5x by minus 5 to get x less than equal to minus 15 by minus 5. That implies x less than equal to 3. X less than equal to 3 comma x element of n. Now here, come to this case. What we are getting? 15 greater than equal to 5x. That implies 15 by 5 greater than equal to 5x by 5. That implies 3 greater than equal to x. That implies x less than equal to 3. How? How this? Suppose you know 5 greater than 4. Open mouth. See the open mouth. 5 greater than 4. Now I'll write here 4. Open mouth towards 5. Here open mouth towards 5. Here open mouth towards 5. So 4 less than 5. When 3 greater than equal to x, then x less than equal to 3, comma x element of n. Now the solution set. The solution set is equal to, we can write x such that x less than equal to 3 comma x element of n. Now we'll write in roster form. X less than equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now we have to graph it in the real number line. Real number line. At the time of graph, so remember that what are the solution sets given? You should write one number more to the right, one number more to the left, and must give the arrow sign because that can be extended. Arrow sign must be there. And here suppose I have written 1, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write more, there is no mistake. But 1, 2, 3 means 4 must be there and 0 must be there. Here I will write minus 1. One number must be to the left. One number must be to the right. And there should be arrow mark. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is the, by circling, darkening, we will get the graph of the solution set that is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now coming to the next example. Come to the next example, example number 2. Example number 2, in example number 2, we'll see it belongs to set of whole number. Set of whole number. Let us see the question. Question number 2, 4 less than equal to 2 into x minus 3 plus 4 and less than 9, come on, x element of w, x element of w. Now that implies here this is first part, this is your second part, this is your third part. So how to solve this type of question when 3 parts are there? So we have to do What things? Suppose given here like this. A is less than equal to B plus C less than D. Sometimes we have to do like this. A less than equal to B plus C, one part. B plus C less than D, another part. This is one part, this is another part. But some students, they do mistakes here. What mistakes? They do like this. A less than equal to B and C less than D, which is totally wrong. So not do like this, because this middle one is one term. You cannot split it. So now here, see how to solve this one. Now here we write it into two columns. One is 4 less than equal to 2 into x minus 3 plus 4. Here 2 into x minus 3 plus 4 less than 9. That implies 4 less than equal to 2x minus 6 plus 4. That implies 4 plus 6 minus 4 less than equal to 2x. Side change, sign change rule. Now 4 cancelled. That implies 6 less than equal to 2x. That implies 6 by 2 less than equal to 2x by 2. That implies 3 less than equal to x. This part. Come to the next part. Here 2x minus 6 plus 4 less than 9. That implies 2x less than 9 plus 6 minus 4. Side change, sign change rule. That is equal to 2x less than 9 plus 6, 15 minus 4, 11. Now that implies x less than 11 by 2. That implies x less than 5 whole 1 by 2. 5 whole 1 by 2. X less than 5 whole 1 by 2. Now the solution set. Now the solution set. It is better to write the solution set. How in this format? Less than like this. 3 less than equal to 5 whole 1 by 2 and comma x element of w. Now 3 less than equal to x less than 5 whole 1 by 2 x element of w. Now that is equal to 3, 4, 5, because less than equal to 3 will be there, 4 and 5 will be there, because less than 5 whole 1 by 2. Now you have to graph it in the number line. Already I have told you arrow must be there. 3, so we can start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, equal spacing. So now equal spacing 3, 4, 5. This is the number line of the given question. Thanks for watching my videos till now. So we will discuss more about the linear inequations, more examples related to board examinations in my next video. So please subscribe my channel and share my videos to get the latest updates.